Out. 5-alarm chili, loaded with smoky peppers and beef. Topped with sharp cheddar and a cool swirl of sour cream. Look at that steam curl up. Smells incredible. Cheese is melting right into it, and that sour...
Well, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Okay, you guessed it. Today we are making some homemade chili. And I'm telling you, this chili is fire. You're going to love this recipe. Make sure you grab a pen and paper and your spoon. Because, baby, I am serving up the best chili you have ever had. Let me show you how I put this together. All right, everyone, let's get into this. So first thing we got to do, pot here, go ahead and we're going to get some olive oil. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, like that. I have here 2 medium onions or 1 large onion. It all depends on what you have. I just had medium. Go ahead and put them in there. Let them cook up a little bit. All right, so now you see the onions are starting to soften up a little bit. And go ahead and we're going to put our meat in there. And today I'm using a combination. Let's see, get that in there first. I got some 4 Seasons ground venison. And I have here some just regular organic ground beef. And these are 2 1-pound containers. We'll get them in there. I'll just mix them together. I love venison for making chili because it has a very low fat content, and I like mixing regular hamburger with it to give it the extra little bit of fat. Go ahead and get that in there. Get that all nice and happy. All right, and now we got about 80% of it all cooked up. Still got a little bit to go. We're going to go ahead and get our seasoning in here. And we're going to season our meat up. First thing I have is minced garlic. I'm going to go 1 full tablespoon of garlic. Like that. I have here some Worcestershire sauce. And that's about a tablespoon. So we're just going to go ahead and dump that right on in. And now I have some red pepper. I'm going to go with 1 teaspoon of red pepper. We're going to go with 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Give it that smoky flavor. And for the heat today, I'm going to be using some of this Sambal, I don't know how to spell that last word, chili sauce. And this is a 8-ounce can. We're going to go ahead and dump the whole thing right on in there. That mixed in, I like to use 1 can. This is a 15-ounce can of just regular tomato sauce. Now, if you don't have chunky tomato sauce, like I don't have the chunky, I'm going to use 1 whole tomato along with my sauce. So we get a little bit more body with the tomatoes. And get that mixed in there. No chili is complete without some beans. And I have here some dark red kidney beans, juice and all. Go ahead and drop that right in there. Mix it in. Oh yeah, this smells so good. Okay. We're going to let this on a low simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour, covered. And when we come back, we'll plate it up. We'll have a bowl. Alrighty, everyone. So let's plate this up. Let's have ourselves a bowl and a taste test. It smells so good. It's spicy. It smells delicious. And this has got, like I said, it's got the hamburger and it also has the venison in it. Just scoop it in there. Now, Mom will not be trying this. There's no way she could handle the heat. And trust me, I'm surprised I can even handle it because I'm a coward when it comes to heat. But this was really good, and I'm going to have myself a bowl. Got some sour cream. I got some green onion because I love my green onion. What's that, Mom?
I said it helps to cool it down.
Yeah, the sour cream will help cool it down. Bring the heat level down a little bit. Got some cheddar cheese. And the cheese will also help cool it down a little bit. It makes a nice little garnish. Grab some pictures. We'll have a taste test. See how we did. I think Mom says that's a little too hot for her. Anyhow, guys, all right, let's go have a taste test, see how we did. You want to get behind the screen there and tell me if I look all right?
Oh, you look beautiful.
You're such a brat. Does it look good?
Yes.
All right. You ready then? It should already be recording.
Oh, dear, too much. It's recording.
I love my mom. All right, guys, let's have a taste test, see how we did. Oh, it smells so good. Get a little bit of onion, get a little bit of that beans, some tomatoes, everything. Cheers, everyone. Oh, yeah. That's hot. It's good. It's hot. It's filling. It's tasty. It's hot. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do me a favor, smash that like button. And Mom's got a water for me. Hey, do me a favor. I finally made that chicken pot pie video. I'm editing it now. I'll be putting that out next week. And I also have another chili video coming out. My friend Colleen, she gave me a recipe for some pumpkin chili or vegetarian chili. You guys are going to love it. I had a taste of it. It is delicious. Stay tuned. I'll be putting that out shortly. Until next time, as always, God bless and happy eats.